Hi guys, Sunday, and it's Mother's Day here in the UK, so happy Mother's Day to past and present. I'll just show you what Rach received this morning. So she got a card from me, she got a card from the kids, also got one on her own with her own money. Chloe did a rush drawing or something, that's Rach and her apparently. Very nice. These were from Chloe. This was from me and the kids because Rach lost her other one. So she's got a new bracelet. Soph bought her mum some new pyjamas because Rach loves pyjamas. And you garden it all. These are from me and the kids. These are from Chalet. These are from me and the kids. And these are from me and the kids. Look at that. That is a Mega Mix 2 kg. So again, happy Mother's Day to all the mums out there, past and present. What's trying to get into it all. Well, here we go. We're finally ready. We've just had a quiet morning. Caught up with some vlogs. I've still got the comments to do. I know I said that in the last one and I haven't done, but I will get to them. But yeah, more caught up now with videos, so that's good. But yeah, we're off to the cruise for Mothering Sunday, and we're having Sunday lunch there, even though in my opinion Mum should have been coming here really and we should have been cooking it, but we're different. We're going to take her gifts over. So we've got this, and we've got a nice duck that she likes. And got a card, and there is some, oh, they're there. Some jelly babies, and there was another present, and it didn't come in time. It was, well, it should have been here Wednesday. I think postman lost it, so we've got to get a refund or whatever with that. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
You like your duck? It's different, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
He had a nice morning.
Busy. Oh, thanks, kids.
So, how are you? Good. Look like you put a bit of weight on today.
What?
Oh, it's because you dressed. Last time I saw you, you was half naked. Weren't you? Not a lot happening here then. The dinner is smelling beautiful. Can't wait. Looking forward to it. Apple pie, no, apple crumble and custard for after. Anyway, while I'm here, I did say I would cut the lawn for them. I don't think it's all that bad, but I'll do it. I didn't think it really needed cutting, but it took a while. I've trimmed all around the edges and that as well for them, so... Right, it's a bit dirty out there, like, a bit muddy. Anyway, I'm going to get washed up, cleaned up, and it'll be time to sit down for lunch. Well, here we go. This is definitely going to be a taste sensation. Is it? Yeah? Good? Right, thank you, and Nanny and Grandad. Let's begin by digging in. Get the old shovel. Right, so, no Yorkie today, Duck?
She wants one, but...
Do you want one? Go and get one. Just a little joke there, isn't it? So, lunch, roast beef, by the way, was beautiful. Now we've got pudding. We've got apple crumble, looks like a trifle, and a cheesecake. What sort of cheesecake's that then?
What is you doing with it?
Strawberry? Raspberry, could be. It's got, looks like it's got white chocolate on it as well.
Because I want that.
No, you won't want any of these.
And it's got a wobble on.
She's eating all of it.
I think I'm going for that. We've had a wonderful
You serve his dinner.
Sunday lunch here, and the puddings were amazing, guys. But Mum hasn't had it. And you, yeah. Whatever it said. But Mum, she's not had a lot of sleep last night. So she's very tired. So she said she's going to go for a nap. So we're going to get off. Just get my shoes. Just going to bang them because I got mud on from doing that lawn. It was very wet. But yeah, it's been a lovely day. Mum loved her gifts and yeah, it's all good. Thank you to Mum and Bill for the wonderful lunch. It was very, very nice. And Rach said thank you very much for this. This is what Mum and Bill got Rach. That's nice. Thank you. Oh, Mummy's sweets are looking at me.
Whoa, they look brilliant.
Rach has opened her big bag of goodies. Look at all that goodness in there. Oh, I tell you what I like, guys. I like them, but I'll tell you my favourite are the fish and chips. You get the chips and these. They remind me of when I was a kid. Gorgeous. Thank you. Evening, guys. It's ironing time. I've had a bath. Everyone's had a bath. I may have had a little nod myself this afternoon after we had some of Rachel's sweeties.
Fell asleep in the bath.
No. But yeah, come straight down from the bath. Gonna get on with the ironing. Hate it. But it's got to be done.
I almost fell asleep in the bath once.
That's not good.
No,
Why you got a lump on your head again?
I've had it since primary. Because that giant sandbox thing.
What kind of light it is that there, Liam, still?
I thought it was about 7 o'clock, but I looked outside and it was still bright.
There we go, ironing done. Wasn't a lot that to... Oh, spit your words out, boy. There wasn't that much to do, so it didn't take that long. 1 minute, Lace. So tonight, me and Rach are going to watch The Bay. We haven't watched last Wednesday's. Now, I'm not really someone into watching a lot of telly, to be fair. Unless YouTube's on. And I don't really get into a lot of stuff these days. Unless it's Christmas and Christmas films are on, which I could watch all year round, by the way. But other than that, don't really get into a lot of TV series and whatnot. But I like The Bay. And I watched the first one the other week with Rach, got into it. I was meant to watch the second one in the week when it was on, but we was just falling asleep, so we didn't. So tonight, once the kids go up to bed, we're going to sit and watch last Wednesday's, and then we'll be all up to date. That's it. We managed to watch The Bay, and yeah, again, like I said, not normally into things like that, but really enjoyed it, so look forward to the next episode. Anyway, we are off to bed. My back's still hurting. Some people have said maybe it's a kidney infection. Maybe, but I don't know. Oh no, I should just go to doctors and get it sorted. Because it doesn't help because I sit here worrying, which makes it worse, of course. But yeah, here we go. Another week upon us. Goes quick, doesn't it? Weekends. I thought you was asleep. Night, mate. See you bright and early on Monday morning.
No.
Good night, my Shirley. I'll see you in the morning. Yeah. Bright and early. I'll bring you a cup of tea up. Yeah. Love you. Night, sun dry. Yeah. Love you, darling. Yeah. See you in the morning. I forgot to mention, actually, yesterday, me and Liam picked a load of free DVDs up for Chloe Bow because she likes watching DVDs. And no one really has DVDs anymore. It's all Blu-ray or digital or whatever. And a lot of the DVDs are all sealed. Still brand new. Night, Chloe Bang. Love you. We'll see how you are in the morning, yeah? Night. I don't know. We'll see how you are, yeah? Probably shouldn't do, really. Yes, so her and Liam came home from school. Was it Friday? And said they felt sick. And they've been on and off feeling sick all weekend. Chloe did throw up earlier, so... yeah, she may not be going tomorrow. Anyway, on another note, I'm off to bed. And we'll see you tomorrow for Monday. Hope you've had a brilliant weekend. Again, happy Mother's Day to all the mummies out there, past and present. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.